Okay, everybody, moving on to probably our final review topic. Today we're going to just cover this 1 through 8, and I'll explain in a minute. And then over the next few school days, not every day, you'll see, we'll do that page and this one, 13 through 16, and probably finish out with that one. But for now, don't let that overwhelm you right here. I'll do number 1. This is just substitution. You're going to tell me if that ordered pair is a solution or not, whether or not it works. So I've labeled them all x and y. So you're just going to take the x number, which is 2, and replace that x with a 2. You will take the y number, which is 10, and you will replace that y with a 10. Now I'll explain what all these lines are for. So first, again, we are replacing the y and the x. So x goes in for 2 goes in for x, 10 goes in for y. I almost said that backwards. 10 goes to there. Instead of 4 times x, we're doing 4 times 2. And don't forget that plus 2. So now, so in this line just goes the substitution. Now we do the math. On the left side of the equal sign, that is, nothing to do. On the right, you do your order of operations. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Now, they're not all going to work out like this. This one worked out to be correct. 10 equals 10. Hey, it works. So if it works, you don't have to put a check mark. You write the answer on that space. The answer is solution if it works. Now, you would write not a solution if it doesn't, and we can abbreviate. So in other words, if this would have said, 13 equals 10, I would write not a solution. Okay, of course, abbreviate and just write not sol. So that's what you do for 2 through 6. Just be careful because like y is by itself on the left, not y is over here. So they're moving x and y around. So just be careful. So show your substitution on this line. Show your final result on that line. Put your answer on that line. Okay, let's jump down to this table. This will go a little faster. So the equation is y equals x plus 2. Well, I'm given 3 x numbers. So I put these x numbers in for x. So instead of x plus 2, I'll just put the 7 in there. 7 plus 2, which of course is 9. Simple math. Now I put the 4 in for x. So I'm just taking out that x, putting in these x numbers. I get 6. And you realize if I put 0 in there, 0 plus 2 is 2. So my ordered pairs are now 7, 9. So I'm just taking these numbers right out of this table. My next ordered pairs, you can see, 4 for x, 6 for y. So when x is 4, y is 6. When x is 0, y is 2. There's my y-intercept when x is 0. Now we used to graph using slope and y-intercept. This is just graphing using a table of values, as those directions say. So just go to graph it. Over 7, up 9. Over 7, right here. They only put the even numbers on there. There's 9. The next ordered pair is 4, 6. So over 4, up 6, and finally 0, 2, 0, 2. Now it looks like they skipped some, and that's okay. Your job now is to connect, go through them, put an arrow on. Okay? So try to do 8, but look, try to make sure everything gets filled in. Follow all the directions to get credit for this, okay? And as always, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll attach the PDF, so we'll start by doing just 1 through 8. Okay, then, till next time. See ya.